Okay, rock pattern tutorial. First time using my GoPro indoors and first time any type of tutorial. So I have a Swiss Army that I started on before already. Did about half of it and I need to clean it up just a little bit. But I'm going to be using a Dremel tool. I have a small tub of water off to the side just to cool down the metal, and after this I will ultrasonic clean it and then dry it out real well and oil it so none of the internals rust. Here we go. Turn around, work it. Here I use just kind of the edge of the Dremel to fill a gap in the middle. And then I'll come back over. A little bit of water, dry it off, do some more. More water. Back on it. So the important part is to change your strokes. Some short, some long. Make sure they overlap. I'll take like this corner here, right here where they intersect, rest it on there for a minute, and then work it. That breaks that up. Do the same thing to the other side. Pick a corner, rest it, and then work it. Then might fill in a small one here. Dip, come back. Maybe I'll do a big one. So on a big one, I'll do a kind of a circular motion. Start something big, just to grind it out. And keep working a circle until it gives me that nice big chunk. And then I'll look and see I've got some left on the one before, and I go back over the one before, rework my circle. Cool it down in the water. And again, you look and see if you got any of the original metal or pattern on top. Grind it away. Chunk it, cool it down. I'm a little bit more careful around the rivets because I don't want to take away too much of the rivet. Again, cool it down. Once I got a side done, I'll go back and look at it and see if there's anything that doesn't look quite right. You know, maybe I need to do some more on the side. So I'll clean up like this one because there's little check marks left from the original surface. So I'll go a little deeper with it, not too much. What else? Looks pretty good. So I'm going to take and do a couple on the side here, nice and deep. About a 45-degree angle. Well, maybe more like 30 degree. Again over here. Really cut into it sometimes. Looks like I might need one in this area. It's nice and deep. Still haven't hit the liners on it, so that's good. Just gotta make sure whatever you're doing, you're doing it on, doesn't have cutaways on the inside. Those cutaways will you'll chew right through it and into the cutaway, and then you're in trouble. Then you're gonna end up burning through it and having a hole. So that looks pretty good. It'll look better when I hit it with a little bit of acid. It'll darken up a little bit underneath. So, now the other side, you can see what it looked like before, and now what it looks like on this side. And that's basically about it. I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll post on Instagram. On Instagram, it's going to be at edge, EDGEE, GE_WMC. I'll probably send you a link to this if I know you. So, all right. Thanks for watching.